MCP's just got a new update and it's pretty awesome. Thanks for Theo T3 for putting this video out. This is how I found out. If you've used an MCP before, I'm sure many of you guys have. If you haven't, it stands for Model Context Protocol. And it's almost like the agent equivalent of an API, where this MCP server is serving data for your agent to access. And this data could be your G Suite data with the G Suite MCP, or Notion data and Notion documents with the Notion MCP. And it also provides context to the agent, so the agent knows how to build its requests to then receive the data that it wants. But the drawback of these, or at least the previous drawback, when your agent created a session, it needed to maintain a connection with this MCP server, even if during that session you weren't really going to use that MCP. For example, if I was talking to Claude and I just wanted to make some quick changes to my portfolio website, I would need access to the GitHub MCP, but I wouldn't need access to stuff like Notion, Google Suite, etc. But the session doesn't know that, and it assumes you'll need all those MCPs during this conversation that you have. So with every session, including the main session and sub-agent sessions, it maintains a connection for all the MCPs that you have. So if you have 6 MCPs and 5 sub-agents running, then that's 30 connections you're continuously holding between the agents and these MCPs, when majority of those MCPs are probably not going to be used during those sessions. So going back to the new update, you no longer need to maintain this connection. Instead of being stateful MCPs, now they're stateless MCPs. So now, since there's no session to maintain, now you could call it like a regular API where you just make a request, you get the response, and then the client can forget the server after. And in the words of Theo T3, this is how it should have always been.